Welcome to Python tutorial number 5. Today I'll be teaching you how to create like a little video rental store where it asks how many new videos, old videos, and how many days it'll be renting for. So we'll be creating two variables called new videos and old videos, and we'll be setting it to 0 because it's just showing the program that we haven't rented anything yet. Then we're gonna recall that variable and use float, which it just basically asks the user to type in like a number and it's going to convert it to decimal. Same thing for old videos. Also using a float because it is going to make it to decimal, so if the user wants to put a decimal they could. Then we also want to make a variable for days because we do want to calculate also the days, including with the number of old and new videos. So we'll be asking how many days will they be renting it. And there's also a float because we want decimal, as I said earlier. So we're going to need the cost for the new videos, which is going to be $3 per day, and for the old videos I'm going to put $2 per day. You don't have to put this exact price, but I chose to put this. So this is where the math happens. We're going to use a variable called total. We're going to put new vids, we're going to multiply that by new vids costs, or video cost. Then we'll multiply that by days because it is, like I said earlier, it's going to be for days. So same thing with old videos. It's old vids times old video cost times days. Then we're going to print on the screen and a little message saying exactly how much it costs per for the amount of days they rented it. And we're just going to put these little brackets because it's just going to show the message, like the little thing that we typed in for days, it's just going to show it on the screen. Then same thing, use these brackets, but I wanted to round it to 2 decimal places. So I just use something called round, which just rounds it, and just put the total 2 because I wanted to round to 2 decimal points. And if you like, you can add like a little ending message if you like. You don't have to, but if you want to, you could. You can just say thank you for renting. And now let's run the code. So it asks how many new videos would you be renting. I'm gonna put 2. How many old videos? I'll put 4. How many days would you be renting the videos for? I'll put 5. And so the total cost for renting the videos for 5 days is $70. And that's pretty much it.